Yeah, children, today we'll discuss about sorry, domestic circuits. Children, today we'll discuss about the domestic circuits. Okay, so children, domestic circuits actually in 10th class you have a magnetism lesson, but I wanted to teach in electricity lesson only, children. Anywhere you discuss, no problem, children. So coming to the domestic circuits, so children, from the local power stations to our house, from the local power stations to our house, two wires will come, children, two wires. One wire is called live wire and another wire is called neutral wire. Okay, children, two wires will come. One is called live wire and another one is neutral wire. And near our house, our electrician will fit another wire that is called earth wire. So totally in our house we have three wires, children. One is live wire, another one is neutral wire, and another one is earth wire, children. Live wire, if you open any socket, children, if you open any socket box in your house, I mean it's a plug box, and if you see any red color wire, that is live wire. If you see any green color wire, it is called earth wire, and any other color is neutral. Generally, it will be blue, brown, black, some gray, something. But red is compulsory live, and green is compulsory earth wire. Other color is neutral wire. What are their functions? What are their functions, children? So coming to the functions, children, live wire carries the current, children. Real current is carried by live wire. That's why it is red in color. Red indicates dangerous. It carries the current. Live wire carries the current, main current. What is the function of neutral wire? What is the function of neutral wire, children? With live wire, it maintains potential difference. It maintains potential difference with live wire. It maintains potential difference with live wire. What is the function of neutral wire, children? It maintains potential difference with the live wire. What is the function of neutral wire, children? It maintains potential difference with live wire. And in our India, we maintain 220 volts potential between them. Okay, children. And I also already told current if it has to travel from one point to another point means compulsory potential difference should be there, no, children. So who maintains potential difference? That is neutral wire.
Neutral wire.
And coming to earth wire, children, earth wire, 3 marks question. So many times they ask children. Earth wire, 3 marks question. So many times. Okay, live wire, neutral wire, you understood. That is easy. But coming to earth wire, children. What is earth wire? Children, earth wire has green color insulation. That is number one. Children, what is the function of earth wire means? If ever see, children, many instruments like we'll be having in our house, fridge which will be continuously touching, or geysers, of course we don't touch, motors, iron box, ACs, heavy machines are compulsory, we should do everything. Why means any power failure or any practical failure inside is there in the instrument. If ever any extra current is there, it flows through earth wire into the ground. Okay, children, what is the function of earth wire means? First, children, 4 points you have to write, children, in exam, compulsory. What is the 4 points means? It maintains, earth wire maintains, compulsory these 4 points. Earth wire maintains potential to that of earth. What is earth potential? 0 volts. Earth potential is 0 volts, first point. Okay, creates low resistance path. If there is low resistance path, all the current will go through earth wire. Okay, so children, first one, it maintains potential. It maintains potential to the top earth, children. It maintains potential. Who earth wire maintains potential to the top earth, children. It creates low resistance path and excess current, if it is there in the circuit, flows through earth wire, into earth and protects the user from fatal shock, dangerous shock. And children, protects the user from and protects the It protects the user from severe electrical shocks. Children, normally daily we will be touching the fridge. Children, daily we will be touching the fridge. If ever any power inside, any failure is there, any problem is there, if we touch the fridge, that shock may come to us. But if you do already earthing, no children, all the current through earthware goes into the earth, children. And if you touch also, much shock you will not get. You will get little sensation and immediately will call electrician and you will rectify the problem. If earthing is not there, that severe shock you will get, children. So what is the purpose of earthing? Means it prevents the user from getting severe shock. Why? Because earthware is low resistance. Always current prefers to go from low resistance path. Always current prefers to go from low resistance path. Because it is creating low resistance path, all the excess current is going into the earth and user will not get any electrical shock because it is maintained. Who? Earth wire is maintained at earth potential. What is earth potential? 0 volt. What is earth potential? 0 volt. Okay, children. So this points compulsory should maintain, children. All the major instruments like geysers, ACs, all the major instruments are compulsory earthing is done, children, to prevent the user from getting severe shock. And if you take any 3-pin socket in your house, children, any 3-pin socket in your house, children, if you carefully see, children, this will be broader and longer. Even when you are putting the plug also, children, in the plug also, top one will be broader, remaining both are shorter. Why? Means when you are putting plug also, first earthing should be done so that user won't get shocked. When you are putting plug also, because this is longer, first earthing will be done, then only current will flow. First, when you are putting plug, first earthing will be done, then only current will flow. Because if any danger is there, also first excess current through the earth goes into the earth and user will not get any severe shock. 3-pin socket, compulsory upper one is earth wire only. Down anything is okay, no problem. Compulsory 3-pin socket, upper one is earth wire only, remember always. And in the socket which we keep, upper one will be always earth wire, children. So it maintains potential to that of earth, creates low resistance path, excess current flows through into the earth and protects the user from getting a severe electrical shock. All these 4 points. And 5th point, all major instruments should be earth. You have to write, children. This is about domestic circuiting, children. In India, we maintain 220 volts, and in America, we maintain 120. They maintain 120 volts, children. That's why American gadgets, anything we get to our India, we use adapters, children, because small transformer changes the voltage, children. Adapter compulsory. American instruments, we have to use adapters, children, because they use 120, we use 220. 120 has to convert into 220. American instruments directly, if you put the ring and put in our plugs, gone, children. It will go away. They won't work. So children, 220 volts. What is 220 volts? Between neutral wire and live wire, the potential difference is 220 volts in India, children. Without potential difference, current won't flow. Who is maintaining that potential difference? Neutral wire. So what are the 3 wires we have? Live, neutral, earth. What are the 3 wires we have, children? Live, neutral, earth. Live is red, neutral is any color, earth is green color, compulsory. And for earth, you have to write this 4 or 5 points, children. This year also 3 marks question. Many times they have asked in board exams also, children. Earth wire is very, very important. This is about the domestic electrical circuits. Into our rooms, children, all the rooms compulsory 3 wires will go, live, neutral, and earth. And what is the type of connection we use in our houses? Series or parallel?
Parallel.
Parallel we use. What are the advantages of parallel? I told, if you switch off one appliance, other appliance do not get switch off, and all the instruments will be maintained at same potential, because in parallel potential is constant. In parallel potential is constant. Different instruments require different currents, which is possible only in parallel connection. Different instruments require different current, which is possible only in parallel connection. Different instruments require different currents, which is possible only in parallel connection. So advantages of parallel over series, 3 points I told in another video. You please, in this video also I will add, no problem. But in our houses we use parallel connection only, because if you switch off one switch in any one of the room also, other rooms does not get affected. That's why parallel connection we use in our domestic circuiting. So okay, children, I hope you all understood, children, and please see the description for the notes and also worksheet, children. Thank you so much, children.